Hi you guys, welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, my name is Renee and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Also, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be painting, or staining I should say, our porch. I think Josh might be helping me. I don't know, but I'm going to get started on it myself right now. I'm going to be using this solid wood stain. They have transparent, semi-transparent, clear, and solid. This one is solid, so there can just be one solid stain on it. I don't want the color that's underneath it right now, which is this like reddish brown color, to show through. And the color we're going to be using is this dark gray color. You can't really see the little thing on top very well right now, so I'll show you guys when I put it in the tray. And then we also got these like special rollers for decks and porches for wood stain as well. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope this goes well. I did say that we were going to do the bottom part a gray, but the railings, like this post and then the rest of the railings on the porch, are going to be white. So we're going to have gray and white. And yeah, I'm so excited to get this done because I really want to decorate our porch. That is one thing we have kind of neglected since moving in because we've had so much to do on the inside. So I'm super excited, and let's get started. Okay, so here's a better look of the gray, and I do want to say that yesterday we did hose off the deck and clean it off and sweep it off so it can be ready for today, and then it has to be fully dry or just a little bit damp whenever you put the wood stain on it. So that's why I waited until tonight to do the wood stain instead of doing it like this morning. I just wanted to make sure it was really dry so it doesn't get messed up at all. Okay, so slight change of plans. I'm going to start off with the railings first, and then the railings are just going to be plain white. So here we go. So this is what I've done so far. Pretty much just this side of it. I still need to go on all the other sides of here, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a second coat, which I kind of expected since the color underneath it is so dark. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait to see because you can't do a second coat until 2 hours after your first coat, so I'm gonna have to wait a while anyways. And yeah, most likely gonna need a second coat though. Okay, so I finished the whole inside part, and we are definitely gonna need a second coat, which kind of sucks because I actually might need more paint. I just got the little quart of the white paint, so we will see. And then right now I'm gonna start working on the other side. Alright guys, this is probably gonna be, oh, is it blurry? That's better. This is probably going to be the last update. It is starting to get dark here. It gets dark really late in Washington. Right now it's 9:16. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 9:16 and it's barely getting dark. I mean, the sun still setting, but anyways, we pretty much finished the whole thing. I still have a couple bars on the outside to finish, but this is how it's looking. I'm loving the white so much better. Okay, so this is how it looks from the outside. Like I said, I still have a couple more to finish. And then, yeah, and then we're gonna do the second coat because it is definitely kind of see-through still and kind of uneven, so it definitely needs a second coat. You can kind of tell right here. But yeah, that is probably going to be the last update, unless I do it on my phone, because I can probably use flash on my phone and it might look better. But we are halfway done, like a quarter done technically, because we still have to do the floor, which will definitely be way faster, because for the floor we use a roller instead of a brush going through every single railing. So you can probably see better with flash, but this is with a second coat, and then this one, oh no, yeah, this one doesn't have a second coat. It's definitely more see-through. Look at that, wow. Okay, definitely doing a second coat on all of this, and then we'll hopefully get to the floors tonight. Okay, so the rails are all done. We are about to start with the floor. Got the gray paint for that, and then first we are going to do the edges with this brush and like on the edge of the rails as well. Sorry the lighting is crappy. All we have are the string lights and then one light right here, but it's actually not that bad. At least it's not on camera. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is way faster than painting the rails because we're just using roller. It's been like maybe 5-10 minutes, and the bottom is pretty much almost done, except for right here, and then I still have to go around with the edges, but we're probably gonna have to do another coat tomorrow morning anyways when it's brighter outside and we can actually see any spots we missed. But for right now, we're just gonna go at it like this. Getting the big boy, the big roller. And it's looking so good already. So we are just gonna finish this up, and then I'll show you what this first coat looks like after we are done. So we have done coat number 1. I just need to go in on the edges, which is what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And then after I do that is when Josh is going to do the second coat on the floor. But it is looking really good right now. The color definitely looks not correct with this lighting. It is kind of on the greenish side, at least that's what it looks like on my screen right now. And then the floor is a really dark gray, so you will definitely be able to see better when I fix the lighting tomorrow and when the sun is out. But yeah, pretty much done with coat number 1. I had to go in with the brush underneath the rails because the roller does not fit underneath there. So yeah, and then hopefully tomorrow I can go get some more decor items to put in the front. I know I want to get like a welcome sign, maybe something to put on the table we have out there. I don't know. I need to go check out what my options are. I don't know if I'll have time for that. Hopefully I will. Noah started daycare, so I'm going to work, and then I have to go to Target, get some groceries, and then hopefully get some decor items. It looks nice already, huh? Mm-hmm. So yeah, hopefully we'll definitely have time for all 3 of those things tomorrow. And that's pretty much it.
You know where my paint went?
What paint?
The green one?
Oh. Spray paint?
No.
Oh, then I have no idea. Well, that is it for day 1 of doing the porch, so we will continue this tomorrow. Hi guys, it is day 2 of doing the porch. Sorry, I am at a weird angle. I'm sitting down right now. It is hot. It's like 80 degrees in Washington today, which is hot for Washington. So I just finished doing the edges of the porch. Doing like the edges over here. I did kind of mess up a little bit, but that's fine. if I needed to do it with a brush, because if I did it with a roller, it would literally just get all over the wall. And then we are not completely done with it. Josh is still gonna go over it one more time with a roller to do a second coat on the floor. And also I need to go inside all these like little nooks and cover them with as much gray as possible to hide any evidence that used to be a red, brown, reddish, ugly red color that was super messed up. So I'm gonna finish doing that. Also, I ended up making it to Hobby Lobby today, and I went to Target, and Hobby Lobby was pretty much a complete fail. I found one thing, so I mean, it was still kind of a fail because I was expecting to find more. I was hoping to find a really nice welcome sign to put by the side of the door, like one of those board looking welcome signs. I'll put some pictures over here of what I'm going for. And then I don't really know what else I was looking for, but I still thought I'd find something that I like, but I didn't find anything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby in a little bit after I put everything together. But let me show you guys what the porch is looking like right now, even though we're not 100% done with the paint. So here we are, finished the gray, and I think I'm gonna do one more coat of white. So the white is gonna have 3 coats, and then we're gonna do another coat of the dark gray, probably a little later tonight. And it's not super hot outside, but it is looking so freaking nice already. I'm so excited to decorate this area. So we finished the second coat of the gray, and I want to show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby. The only thing I found from Hobby Lobby is this outdoor rug. I'm gonna do a layered welcome mat. So there's gonna be this rug, it's an outdoor rug, and then I'm gonna have the welcome mat on top of it. I don't know if I said it in this video, but fall is my favorite season, and I don't know if this look is like super fall, but I mean it's gonna be up year round unless I find maybe a different one for fall. We'll see about that. But yeah, this is all I found. I was really hoping to find one of those welcome signs that is like the wood board that would be able to go right here, but that's fine. And then we also have that pot in the plant that's gonna go right by the door right here. So yeah, let me finish putting the welcome mat and then show you what it looks like. Alright, I got it all set up right here. This welcome mat is not new, so it is looking a little rough and dirty. We've had this since we moved in, but it looks really freaking cute. Definitely need to clean the doorway right there. And then what else? Oh, I can't put this yet because the floor still needs to dry, but I'm loving the look of this. And then also, I don't think I showed you guys this, but we put these up yesterday as well. Josh just put a bunch of little hooks to hook the lights on top of, and then he put an extension cord coming out from the garage up there. So lots of work for these lights. Well, I mean, they're pretty easy. I guess it's just the extension cord that's a little bit more complicated. But I did see solar powered ones on Amazon, but these were $19. Those were like $50 for solar powered ones. Maybe in the long run it is a really good price, or if you don't have anywhere to plug them in and you can't run an extension cord from anywhere, then I would have definitely got the solar powered ones, and that might work better for you. But we definitely made do with these ones. You guys, I don't know what happened. I was recording, and I recorded pretty much the whole video of the porch, and I was closing out this video, and then my phone just went black and didn't save the video. So let's try this one more time. So here is the finished porch. I am loving it. It looks way better than the red for sure. We got these really pretty string lights up there. We found this at Walmart. I think they were $19. Yeah, I think they were $19. And then I really want to put string lights down this pole and kind of over this. Maybe not bulbs that are big like that. But Josh said that's too many lights, and he's kind of right. But I like lights, so TBD on that. And then, oh, here's the gray and the white, super cute. And then here's the welcome mat. I think I showed you guys this yesterday. I really love the layered welcome mat look. I might move the position of the top one. We will see. This one was from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $6 or $7. It was 66% off because it was labeled the spring shop. So yeah, definitely got a really good discount on that. Eventually, I just got that watermelon welcome sign for summer. I'm not too in love with it. I really don't like these bows that are here. I think it just throws it off way too much. Might take this off, I don't know. But I want to get a wreath instead of a sign like that, or maybe get a wood sign, like one of those circular wood signs that still says welcome like that. I think that'd be really cute. Also, I mean, that no soliciting was there when we got the house. Eventually, we want to get a door that matches those windows. So the door would have 2 rows of 3 little windows that are square shaped like that, and it'll definitely just piece everything together really well because it would be matching. And then down here we have this pot. We got the pot and the plant from Lowe's. I think the pot was like $23, and then the plant was around $10 to $13, somewhere around that. And then this should definitely grow some more, which would look really nice. And then I still need to get a welcome sign, one of those wood board welcome signs to put right there. But Hobby Lobby, I think they were out because it looked like they had sections for some, but there weren't any. And then they had like 1 or 2, and I just didn't like them at all. It wasn't really the vibe of or the style of what I want to do for this front porch. And then eventually right here in the corner, we want to get a L-shaped outdoor couch or outdoor bench. And then over here we have this table. It's actually 2 pieces, and it's an indoor table we got from IKEA. But, I mean, it's glass and metal, so I'm pretty sure it should be fine outside. We actually have the longer piece that goes under it in the backyard, and that's doing fine. So this should be fine out here. And then, what else? I don't know. I think that's it. Maybe get something to put here as well, like on the side of the porch, just to kind of put above the couch we get. I cannot wait till we get the couch because this porch is just so like calm and so quiet, and I just, except for that firework that just went off because those go off a lot. But I cannot wait till we get a couch. Josh just comes and stands out here and says, I wish we had a couch so I can just lay down here and take a nap. And me too, dude. Me too, because it's just so relaxing. Our backyard is really nice, of course, but this area is pretty much finished, and I feel like we still have a lot to do in the backyard, at least for the deck we have, because for the deck we want to eventually tear that down and put pavers, those like little square cement pavers, and sand you put on top of it, so it can just be a paved area instead of the deck. But that's gonna take a while. So let me show you guys our gardening that Josh did in the front as well. So we have these really pretty solar powered lights that go on our walkway, and then we put mulch. This used to be lava rock, but we put mulch. I really like the look of red mulch better than dirt or lava rock. And then he planted this tree right here, or actually sorry, the tree was here. He planted everything else. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it right here because it got dark a lot quicker than I expected, and I don't want the quality to look super terrible. So yeah, that is it for redoing our whole porch, redecorating it, repainting it, and pretty much doing everything totally different to it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more home videos, home redoing, home decor videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel down below. We have a lot more we want to do with the house. We are probably halfway done with it, not even halfway done with everything we need to do. But yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.